Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 8 mapping your way on page number 115. Now children, in previous video we saw that children has visited India Gate to see the Republic Day parade. Also we have studied map 1 and map 2. Now children, in this video we are going to study map 3. Now here children, waiting for the parade. While waiting for the parade, Kancha and some of his friends wonder where this parades end. Kancha is carrying a newspaper in which the route of the parade is written. Now children, everyone is waiting for parade. Kancha and his friends wonder where this parades end. And Kancha has a paper in which the route of the parade is given. Now children, how is the route of the parade? From Vijay Chowk through Rajpath it will reach India Gate, then going through Tilak Marg, then through Zafar Marg, Subhash Marg it will reach Red Fort. And this is the route of the parade. Now children, on the map you will see here downside at this bottom here scale is given to you. It is what children, 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So we will see what is this on the next page. Hey, see, that is India Gate and this is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now children, here the group of students is looking at the route and they are telling, see, here that is India Gate and this is Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the long road between these is Rajpath. Let's guess how many kilometer long is Rajpath is. Now children, you will see in the map that this is Rashtrapati Bhavan and this is India Gate, and the long road between these two is known as Rajpath. The name of this road is Rajpath. Now children, the students are asking how many kilometer long Rajpath is. Then one boy is saying that my mother told me it is 2 kilometer from Vijay Chowk to India Gate. On this map it is about 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter on map is the same as 2 kilometer on the ground. You are right. See, it is written at the bottom of this map. Scale 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Now children, we will understand this. On map from Vijay Chowk to India Gate, it is given 4 centimeter and actual it is 2 kilometer on road. So it means what children? This scale, why this scale is given? Because children, we can't show kilometers here because kilometer is very long distance. We can't show it on paper. So we reduced this and we have converted this kilometer in centimeter, and here we mentioned the scale that 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Now children, let's understand it very clearly. What does it mean children? If it is 2 centimeter here, then how much kilometer it is children on road? It is 1 kilometer. Now children, if the distance is of 4 centimeter, then it is 2 kilometer. Then 6 centimeter, it will be 3 kilometer. 8 centimeter, it will be 4 kilometer. 10 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer. And 12 centimeter will give you 6 kilometer. Or you can vice versa it children. 1 kilometer is equal to 2 centimeter. 2 kilometer is equal to 4 centimeter. 3 kilometer is equal to 6 centimeter. 3 kilometer is equal to 6 centimeter. 4 kilometer is equal to 8 centimeter. 5 kilometer is equal to 10 centimeter. 6 kilometer is equal to 12 centimeter. Understood children this scale? Now let's see some questions. Mark the route. Now children, trace the route of the parade in map 3 and mark India Gate and Rajpath. Children, first we will mark India Gate and Rajpath. This is Rajpath, children. Now we have to trace the route of the parade. It will start from Vijay Chowk, then through Rajpath it will reach India Gate, then through Tilak Marg, it will go to Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, and children, from Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg it will go to Subhash Marg, and from Subhash Marg it will reach Red Fort. So this is the route of the parade that we have traced. Now children, second question is, look at the map carefully and find out which of these is the longest road. BS Zafar Marg, Subhash Marg or Tilak Marg. There are 3 marks given to children and we have to find out which of these is the longest road. Children, first here is Tilak Marg. Tilak Marg is from this point to this point. Now children, you have to keep a scale here and see how much it is in centimeter. Children, if you will keep a scale here like this, you will find that it is 3.7 centimeter. Now children, in similar manner, Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg is from this point to this point. Again, you have to keep a scale and you have to measure the distance. And you will find, children, that it is 3 centimeter. We will calculate all this in centimeter. There is no need to convert it into kilometer. Just we have to see which of these is the longest road. Now children, the last is the Subhash Marg. Now firstly, this Subhash Marg is still here, children. Firstly, we will see from here to here. You will find that it is 2 centimeter. From this point to this point, it is 1.5 centimeter. And from this to this it is 0.5 centimeter. It means if you add this all, children, you will have it 4 centimeter. Now if you compare these 3 roads, children, you will find which one is the longest road? Subhash Marg. So answer is Subhash Marg. Here children, answer is Subhash Marg. Now children, if Rubia is coming from Jama Masjid to join the parade, guess about how far she will have to walk. Now children, Rubia is coming from Jama Masjid to join the parade. See, this is Jama Masjid here in the map and here she is coming. So see the distance here with the help of scale. You will find, children, it is 1 centimeter. So how many kilometer she has to walk, children? See children, from Jama Masjid Jama Masjid to join the parade, the distance is 1 centimeter. We have seen just now. Now children, how much kilometer is this? We have seen the scale is given that 2 centimeter is representing 1 kilometer. So 1 centimeter will represent how much? Half kilometer. Now children, half kilometer means how many meters? Children, we know that in 1 kilometer there is 1000 meter. So half of 1000 will be 500 meter. Understood children? How long she will walk? 500 meter. Rubia will walk 500 meter. Now children, the total route of the parade is about how long? Now let's see children. Children, if you see at the route of the parade, we have seen the distances from Tilak Marg to Red Fort. But children, if you see here, children, to find out how much total kilometer it is from Vijay Chowk to Red Fort, if you start from here, children, you will find that it is 5.3 till here, and all other distances from here to Red Fort we know, children. So if you add all these, you will have it 16 centimeter. The total distance on map is of the parade is 16 centimeter. So tell me children, how much kilometer it is? 2 centimeter is representing 1 kilometer. So 16 centimeter will represent how many kilometers? Yes, it will be 8 kilometer. So children, the total route of the parade is about 8 kilometer. Now children, one more wonderful thing they saw. As the parade passes by, they see some children coming on an elephant. These children have got bravery awards. They also enjoy the colorful dances and aerobics by school children. They want to follow the parade to Red Fort. Gappu has seen Red Fort before and tell them about this trip. So children, we will stop here in this video. In next video, we will study trip to Red Fort. Till then, bye children. Have a nice time.